This video has been recorded in the Shona language. If you do not understand the Shona language but you are interested with the content of this video, you can indicate in the comment section and I'm going to prepare a video in English which explains the same content. Thank you. Toda kuita question number 4 pa question paper ratiri kuita. Tiri kuita ZIMSEC question paper June 2016 ordinary level mathematics. So this is number 4 out of 28 questions. 4a irikuti factorize completely x squared minus 1 over 36. So zvatinoita ndezvekuti in trying to factorize, ideally kana kuti the most traditional way of doing this, kutarisa if there is anything common between all the terms within this expression. Saka chatarisa kana paine chinhu chiri common pamaterms edu ese ari 2. Term yedu yekutanga expression in x squared, term yedu yechitu ndi minus 1 over 36. Saka paine chiri common here between x squared and minus 1 over 36. There is nothing. X squared is a variable squared and minus 1 over 36 is just a number. Kureva kuti since tashaiwa anything common outrightly, takutsvaga amwe means of manipulating this algebraic expression. If we look more closely, we see that we can express x squared minus 1 over 36 as a difference of 2 squares. This will be like x squared minus, instead of writing 1 over 36, tagot 1 over 6 squared. Evidently, minus 1 over 6 squared, or rather 1 over 6 squared, d1 over 36. Because 1 times 1 d1 and 6 times 6 d36. Saka since I express as a difference of 2 squares, we can now employ how we factorize 2 squares, a difference of 2 squares. So this is not going to be part of your answer, it's just a reminder. Kuti kana tina a squared minus b squared, factorizing a squared minus b squared, our answer is going to be a minus b, a plus b. This is how we factorize a difference of 2 squares. Saka applying this to our question, this will be our step number 1. Step number 2, takuchiti susu x minus 1 over 6, x plus 1 over 6. This is factorizing x squared minus 1 over 36 completely. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Then 4b irikuti remove brackets and simplify 4a plus b and another bracket 5a minus 3b. Saka this removing of brackets, do inonzi expanding brackets, the expansion of brackets. So how do we do it? We know that every term in mukati me bracket rekutanga icha multiplier the second bracket. Kureva iko kuti 4a is going to multiply 5a minus 3b, since 4a is the first term inside the first bracket. Then the second term in the first bracket in b are multiplier 5a minus 3b. Then tada iso tato expander. Let us further expand. What this means is 4a is going to multiply 5a to give us 20a squared. Then 4a times minus 3b, the minus 12ab, plus b times 5a, the 5ab, and b times minus 3b, the minus 3b squared. Then if we add my like terms, 20a squared, and I like term, minus 12ab plus 5ab into minus 7ab, and then minus 3b squared. This is going to be our answer. But just a side note, since we know that A times B is equal to AB, the same way B times A is equal to AB. The message here being, kana tichimultiply zvinabasa kuti tatanga nekumultiply ipi, tatanga na A here kana tatanga na B. This means kuti panapa ta multiply this bracket times this one. Dosaka tati the every term inside the first bracket is going to be multiplying the second bracket, and we did it here. We can equally say every term inside the second bracket is going to be multiplying the first bracket, and we come back to the same solution.